Welcome again, this is Tasfu. Placing objects of all kinds into a meaningful classes or categories is a major goal of science. During classification, for example, a code for size could have values like low, medium, or high. For the different color classification methods, I advise you to watch the videos on tips and notes. Likewise, in ArcGIS, we have points, we have lines, and we have polygons. We can categorize the data into classes, thereby giving us good information. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to symbolize mapped features. All these are obtained from the attribute data. Therefore, please open tutorial 2-1. The following map shows the land classification of Bali Mountains, and the data is for 2000. Open tutorial 2-1. We can see here that there are various kinds of features. The contents pane, we have Ethiopia country boundary and land use 2010, and so on. However, the base map is hidden by Ethiopia boundary. We want this layer to be transparent. This is what we will see first, how to make our layers transparent. If we want our layer to be transparent, what we are going to do is, in the contents pane, we click on the Ethiopia boundary and click this light yellow box to modify the symbol. And to the right, the symbology pane appears right here. And then in the former symbol polygon pane and under properties, we change the color here to no color. Now change the outline color to green. Let's give it 2 points and apply. As you can see here, now the Bali Mountain layer is now transparent. We can now see the Bali Mountain layer right here. What's more, we have now the green border just as we have selected. Now we are going to display the polygon using these unique values. Now Bali land classification 2000 is now being displayed by unique values. All are shown in the same color and all are in pink color. However, land use types are usually shown with different or various colors. This is what we are going to see next. Here I have a previously prepared bookmark, and so I'll go to the bookmark, and so we have here Bali land classification bookmark. So we click on this bookmark, but all classification bookmarks are in pink. Right click the layer and click symbology, and it opens here. But first, let us open the attribute table and study some of the properties. And when we open it here, there are 7 land use classifications, as you can see here. The total area of the 7 land use classifications are shown in square kilometer, and all are shown here. So let's close it. Because all are shown in pink and it is difficult to differentiate which is which. Next, for symbology, in the symbology pane, and under the drop down we click here on unique options. It brings us this one, and in the value field for field 1, let us choose class. Now this step adds random colors to the 7 land use classes. በመሆኑም ለሰባቱ የመሬት አጠቃቀም ክላሶች random የሆነ color አምጥቶልናል. But your random colors might be somewhat different from mine. In the screen. But we might want to use appropriate color according to our need. But first, before anything, we will choose an outline color that differentiates one land use class from another land use class. Let's make it gray color and let's give it 20%. And to do that, in the symbology pane, click more and symbols, and then format all symbols. In the format polygons symbols pane, click properties and change the outline color to gray, and let's give it 20% transparency, and then click apply. This is our first step, and let's click the back button to return to symbology. Then right click, apply colors. Then what we are going to do next is, now let's change the colors according to what we see on the screen. The colors are listed. Let us change the land use colors accordingly. You can pick your own colors, but let's go ahead and do it. For agriculture, for instance, we can pick light apple according to our list above. For bare land or burnt land, let's give it a color like fire red as in the list. Let's complete the rest. You can go ahead and do it. Now we have finished coloring, categorizing by color. In the contents pane here, we have the list, all other values, but we don't have anything left. All classes are under category, so we don't need all other values. To remove this option, we go to the land use classes pane. There is an item here, more options, and it says here, clear all other values. And when we untick this, it's gone. If we tick it back, it will appear again. Because we don't need this, we will leave it unchecked. So this way we can change the colors and now save our project. Close. Thank you for watching.